Hi guys, look what I got today. So I have the Ipsy Feburary box that I'm going to be unboxing, just like I promised last video. And this is my first time trying Ipsy, so as a first timer, I'll tell you what I think. And sorry if I sound a little stuffy because I'm sick and I'm trying to get better, so here we go. So first of all, what I like is it comes in a very cute box, which is different because Sephora's didn't come like that. And then they have a theme card that tells you about the collection, and it tells you how they pick the bag, which is really cool. And it's more organized than Sephora because they pick your products, they tell you when you're getting it, you can track it, which Sephora you really can't track yours. Like, it's harder to track it. I got this moisturizer, which I was expecting, and this is really good because my hands are really chapped, so I'm looking forward to trying this, and I'll let you guys know what I think of it. And then I got this eyeshadow, which is by Beauty Basics. And, so it's like a goldish color eyeshadow, which is, it kind of looks like Naked Palettes gold, which is a color I really like, so that will be good. And then I got this brush, which I saw I was getting. It looks a little smaller, but that's okay. It's for eyeshadow, so it's like, so it's for eyeshadow. So it'd be fun to use with the golds. And I always, I'm a brush collector, and I literally have so many brushes, but, I always love collecting more and more. And, dry shampoo. So it's by Ava, New York. Well, however you say it. I don't know. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm looking forward to trying it because since I'm stressed, it's hard to, wash my hair very frequently, and when I'm stressed, my hair gets really greasy, even when I wash it, really often, every day, it still gets greasy when I'm stressed, which is really weird. So I can bring this in my bag and bring it everywhere, so that will be good. And then, lastly, ooh, that's odd, I got this, Trash Chic. It's it's like an eyeliner. It's the weirdest thing because that's so strange. So I got it and it doesn't have a tip on it, so it's literally smudging all over the bag. Oh well. I guess I'll take it out and take. So I might as well try some of the products while I'm in front of you guys and let you know my first reactions as well. So, first I'm going to try the hand cream because that's really easy to do. I can't really smell because I'm all stuffed up, but it kind of smells very vanilla-y, but I like it. I actually really like it. Ooh, and it's really soft, and oh my god, I actually love this smell. I may actually end up buying the full size. They gave me a good amount, but I may get the full size because why not? And I'm gonna try this. I might as well just use a brush I have because why not? Because I don't want to get that new beautiful brush dirty. Okay. The eyeshadow is very subtle, but yeah, it's very, very subtle. But it's good. It's cool. And my face is really red because yeah. And this is my favorite brush I probably have. I have a bunch of unicorn brushes too, and I love those. And then now for the eyeliner. Ew. I'm doing this so bad. So bad. Ew. Oh, okay. Wait, why is it so strange? It doesn't even work. That's so weird. Okay. Oh, maybe it like dried out because I didn't have a cap. That kind of sucks. Okay. I have no clue. Or maybe I didn't actually read the directions right. Or something. That's so weird. Okay. So I have 4 out of 5 of my products. That's great. That's just great. I would love for you to subscribe, comment, like, follow me on Instagram, email me if you have questions. I'm going to put all my social media down below. And my voice doesn't like usually sound like this stuffy. It's just like I said, I'm going through this. So yeah, give me some video ideas. And I'm really happy with this bag, the Ipsy bag. I would suggest this like over the Sephora because I personally didn't like that because it wasn't personalized, where Ipsy's more personalized, which I really, really liked. And you get this cute bag, which is really cool. So Ipsy is probably the way I'll go, and I'll let you know if that changes, and I'll keep doing like unboxings. And so, like I said, like, subscribe, comment, whatever, please, any support. I'd love it. Happy Valentine's Day. Even if you don't have a Valentine, even if you do have a Valentine, just celebrate for you. Give yourself some love. So, thank you.